Imagine this. You are standing at the checkout counter in America, swiping your credit card with a smile. The cashier hands you the receipt. The bags are in your hands, and you walk out feeling like you have won. It feels easy. It feels convenient. It feels like free money. But here is the truth that most people never stop to think about. That swipe is not free. That swipe could cost you far more than the price of the items in your bag. It could cost you peace of mind, financial freedom, and years of your future. Credit cards are powerful, but they are also dangerous. And if you do not understand what they really cost you, you could be paying for that swipe long after the excitement fades. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Every week, I share powerful insights about money, wealth, and mindset that can change the way you live. Join a community of everyday Americans who are learning to fight back against financial traps and build a life of freedom. There. Hit that subscribe button and start your journey today. Now, let us step into the reality of credit cards. Picture a young man in Chicago who buys a new television on his card. The price tag says $500. He tells himself he will pay it off quickly, but he only pays the minimum balance each month. The interest grows quietly, steadily, relentlessly. By the time he finally pays it off, the television has cost him over $800. That is the hidden cost of credit cards. They turn small purchases into expensive burdens. Think about a woman in California who uses her card for groceries, gas, and clothes. She tells herself it is fine because she earns points and rewards. But she carries a balance month after month. The rewards she earns are pennies compared to the interest she pays. The airline miles feel exciting, but the debt feels crushing. That is the trap. Credit cards give you shiny rewards while quietly draining your wallet. Now, imagine a family in Texas. They use credit cards to cover emergencies because they have no savings. A car repair, a medical bill, a broken appliance. The card saves them in the moment, but the debt lingers for years. The interest compounds, the payments grow, and the stress becomes unbearable. That is the reality for millions of Americans. Credit cards are not safety nets, they are chains. Rich people understand this difference. They use credit cards strategically, paying balances in full, avoiding interest, and leveraging rewards without falling into debt. Poor people use credit cards emotionally, swiping for convenience, cutting balances, and paying interest that enriches the banks. The difference is not income. The difference is mindset. Think about time. Most people trade time for money, working hours to pay bills. Credit card debt steals that time. Every dollar of interest is another hour of your life spent working for the bank instead of yourself. That is the real cost, too. It is not just money. It is freedom. Picture yourself 5 years from now. You have stopped carrying balances. You have stopped paying interest. You use credit cards wisely, paying in full, earning rewards without debt. You are not chained to payments. You are living life on your terms. That is the mindset shift that changes everything. 2. The truth is that most people in America are trapped in a cycle. They swipe, they spend, they pay minimums, and they repeat. They believe credit cards are tools for convenience. Banks believe credit cards are tools for profit. And the banks always win when you play their game blindly. Think about the American dream. It is not just about owning a house or having a job. It is about freedom. Freedom to choose how you live, where you go, and what you do. Credit card debt destroys that freedom. It keeps you working for years to pay for purchases that lost their value long ago. Maybe you have felt the frustration of watching your balance grow even as you make payments. Maybe you have felt the shame of late fees and overdraft charges, too. Maybe you have felt the stress of living paycheck to paycheck while interest eats away at your future. But here is the reality. You can change. You can rewrite your story. You can stop paying for the past and start building for the future. Picture yourself sitting in a coffee shop in New York. You open your wallet, see your credit card, and instead of fear, you feel confidence. You know you will pay it in full. Yet, you know you are not trapped. You know you are using the card as a tool, not as a chain. You smile because you have started to think differently. You are no longer paying hidden costs. You are building freedom. Every choice matters. Every time you pay in full, you win. Every time you avoid interest, you keep your money. Every time you resist the temptation to swipe for something you cannot afford, you build discipline. The difference between financial struggle and financial freedom is not luck. It is how you use credit.